of integrals, indefinite integral, sometimes we take a number to solve the sums. Means that number should be added or subtracted, multiplied, or by that number we divide numerator and denominator, then we start doing. And sometimes by taking that number we are not able to solve the sums. Then what have to do? We have to do different. What different? Sometimes we find out differential coefficient. See, differential coefficient of denominator. Differential coefficient of denominator means x cos x minus sin x is equal to minus x sin x. But minus x sin x is not here. Then what I have to do? We have to multiply this and this by sin x. X is already here, so write here as x, and right here minus x sin x by x cos x minus sin x. And this sin x we have to write here, sin x, and minus here, because here is positive, so minus and minus plus. Now minus, write as first x by sin x into minus x sin x by x cos x minus sin x whole square dx. See, this is one part and this is another part. Means change the sum into two parts and solve it by integration by parts. This will be one part and this will be second part. And write as, this will be first part, means integration by parts. U v dx minus dx. So this formula will be used here. Now this will be first part, right here as x by sin x and minus x sin x by x cos x minus sin x whole square dx. Minus d by dx x by sin x integration minus x sin x by x cos x minus sin x dx dx. Now minus x by sin x into, look at here, differential coefficient of this is equal to minus x sin x. So right here, if you solve it, you will get as first, see the solution. Put, this is rough work, put x cos x minus sin x is equal to t, then it will be minus x sin x dx is equal to dt. Then this term will be dt by t square, and if you solve it, it will be t power minus 2 dt. It will be 1 by t minus t plus c. The solution of this part, will be this. Now right, बोल को दियो, ठीक है, 1y minus x cos x minus sin x minus sin x minus cos x by sin square x into 1 by minus x cos x minus sin x dx. Minus x by sin x into 1 by minus x cos x minus sin x, that is here. From here I have taken it, and minus difference d by dx of x by sin x means u by v. Change it into the form of u by v. This will be this, and then this same thing here, same part. So right after solving this, you will get this. Now pay attention here. This is sin x minus x cos x, and here is minus x cos x minus sin x. These both terms are same. Minus x cos x minus x cos x minus minus plus sin x sin x. So both terms will be cancelled. Now minus into minus plus. So right here as x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x plus minus minus plus 1 by sin square x dx. is equal to x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x plus cosec square x dx is equal to x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x cosec square x dx equal to minus cot x minus cot x plus c. Yes, is equal to x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x minus cos x by sin x plus c is equal to sin x x cos x minus sin x. Now here will be x minus cos x into x cos x minus sin x plus c. X minus x cos square x plus sin x into cos x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x plus c. Now x minus x cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x plus sin x into cos x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x plus c is equal to x minus x plus sin square x plus sin x into cos x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x plus c. Cancel. Now take sin x common from these two terms. Sin x, x sin x, the remaining part x sin x plus cos x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x plus c. And this is the final result. So the final result is, x sin x plus cos x by x cos x minus sin x plus c.